BMW has officially confirmed that the BMW M3 Touring 24H, a project that began as a 2025 April Fool's joke, will compete for real in the 2026 Nürburgring 24 Hours. Entering the SPX experimental class with a full BMW M Works driver lineup. This transformation from prank to race-ready machine happened in under 8 months after overwhelming fan demand. From April Fool's post to green hell reality. Here's how the joke became a factory-backed race program. On April 1, 2025, BMW M posted images of a fictional M3 Touring race car as an April Fool's prank. The concept went viral, generating massive fan engagement and media attention. BMW leadership approved real development in mid-2025. And engineers completed the build in under 8 months using GT3 program technology. The result, a fully homologated SPX class entry for the 2026 Nürburgring 24 Hours. Technical highlights of the M3 Touring 24H. Engine, 3.0-litre twin-turbo inline-6, P58 based. Power, up to 590 horsepower. Chassis, touring body with GT3-derived race hardware. Class, SPX, experimental. Debut, May 2026, Nürburgring 24 Hours, green hell. BMW even covered the car in fan comments from the original April Fool's post, a nod to the community that made the project real. Driver lineup. BMW M Works drivers confirmed for the 2026 race include Jens Klingmann, Hugo de Wilde, Connor de Philippi, Neil Verhagen. Why this matters? It's the first ever M3 Touring race car to compete at the Nürburgring 24H. Demonstrates BMW's willingness to turn fan enthusiasm into real motorsport programs. Adds a new chapter to the M3 legacy, this time in wagon form. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.
I begin to for sure.